What's up YouTube, this is Zafar. Today I'm going to basically change the exhaust on the Toyota Corolla 2016, so stay tuned and let's go. I got this Borla exhaust from eBay, so I'm gonna put the link above. So this is it, and let's see how it's gonna sound. Let's do it. Alright guys, there is supposed to be like 2 bolts that I need to get into, and then those bolts are like right here. I just sprayed grease to lubricate it so I can open up that shit easily. So I'm just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, then open it up. I'm not sure if you guys can see it very good, but I'm sorry. Alright guys, I barely got this 2 bolts. It was freaking corroded. It took me freaking like 4 hours to take that out, but finally I just took it out. Now I got the full brand new exhaust here. So I got these 2 bolts here. Now I'm gonna install it. Basically goes right over here.
Said she tired, little money, need a big boy. Pull up 20-inch blades like I'm Lil Troy. Now it's everybody flocking, need a decoy. Shorty mixing up the vodka with the liquor. G-Wagon, 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 G-Wagon. All the housewives pulling up. I got a lot of toys. 720S pumping Fallout Boy. You was talking shit in the beginning, back when I was feeling unforgiving. I know I pissed you off to see me winning. See the igloo in my mouth and I be grinning. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. Yeah, your grandma will probably know me. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. Everywhere I go, catch me on the block like a Mutombo. 750 Lambo in the Utah snow. Trunk in the front like that shit Dumbo, yeah. Cut the roof off like a nip tuck. Pull up to the house with some big butts. Turn the kitchen counter to a strip club. Me and Drake came for the. When I got guap, all of y'all disappeared. Before I dropped Sony, none of y'all really care. Now they always say congratulations to the kid. And this is not a 40, but I'm pouring out this shit. Used to have a lot, but I got more now. Made another hit, cause I got bored now. Always going for it, never pump 4th down. Last call, Hail Mary, Prescott, touchdown, hey. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. Yeah, your grandma will probably know me. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow.
Are you sure? Yeah. What is it? Alright guys, finally done. It's a moment of truth, so let's check it. Alright, who's gonna turn it on? Push the gas. More. Alright, let's hear it, man. Hit the gas. More.